Now on this last panel that I'm doing with truck bed or bumper black painting, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does take a lot of time to sand everything smooth. And if you can take your fingers, actually this is an auto body lesson, you take your whole hand and you run it across here lightly. If you can feel anything, you're gonna see it in the paint. I'm spending an awful lot of time around the key fob area and around the switch that turns on the water pump, because I'm going to be looking at that a lot. And you can see just with your bare eye how this was what we call feathering out. You feather out your old material into your metal or whatever, so it doesn't leave a line. Remember that paint is a solid material. On the molecular level, your paint is higher than this old surface. Therefore, if you want your new paint to blend in with it, you can't have any sharp edges like right here or over here. And if you're doing your sanding, I'm using 400 wet, which I have down here, and I use a little, this is a Napa block, soft block, and then you can get, it's like 2 blocks, they're like $3 a piece. Or I'll do it with my hands. And it all depends on how you want to, how good that you want to get your work to be. This one has a lot of scarring up in here. That's just due to old age from 20 years of wear. And this is, it was the original color is gray. So I'm going to feather out these areas here and here